Hey Luxo lovers! Today on Luxo-Life we're talking about a super exciting topic: maximize your wealth, the ultimate AI side hustle for 2024. Keep watching because we've got some valuable insights lined up for you. If you're new to AI, this is the perfect opportunity for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how you can earn money through AI. So what are you waiting for? Give Luxo-Life some love and let's jump right in.
Here is how you can make $150 in 15 minutes.
Here is how this channel makes over $36,000 a month.
This is how you make $10,000 a month.
We're using AI in seconds.
This is true AI video.
Can you believe this?
Let's begin by talking about how AI has totally changed the way we edit videos. It's about having a super smart assistant that helps us make awesome videos without all the complicated stuff. Before AI, video editing could be really tricky and time-consuming. But now, thanks to AI, it's become much simpler and faster. AI-powered tools are like magic wands for video creators. They can do all sorts of cool things like automatically choosing the best parts of the video, fixing mistakes, and adding special effects. It's like having your own personal editing team right at your fingertips. These tools save us a ton of time and effort, allowing us to focus on being creative and making our videos the best they can be. Imagine trying to edit a video without AI. It would be like trying to build a house without any power tools. Sure, you could do it, but it would take forever and probably wouldn't turn out very well. AI-powered tools streamline the editing process, making it faster, easier, and more fun. They're a game changer for anyone who loves making videos. Now let's talk about how important it is to do some research before jumping into the world of making promotional videos. It's like exploring a new city before deciding where to set up shop. Market research helps us understand what's already out there and where we might fit in. When we talk about market research, we're basically talking about doing our homework. We look at what other people are doing in the world of promotional videos. What kinds of videos are they making? Who are their customers? How much are they charging? By gathering all this info, we can start to see where there might be opportunities for us to stand out. Now, we will be teaching you the step-by-step process for creating top-notch promotional videos using AI templates. Think of it like following a recipe to bake the perfect cake. With the right ingredients and instructions, you'll be whipping up professional-looking videos in no time. First off, we start by selecting an AI template that suits the vibe and style we want for our promotional video. It's like picking out the base flavor for our cake. Once we've got our template, we can start customizing it by adding our own personal touches. This is where we get to be creative and make the video truly unique. Next, we sprinkle in some suitable stock footage to enhance our video. It's like adding special decorations to our cake and even make it look more delicious. Stock footage helps us tell our story visually and grab the attention of our audience. By choosing the right footage, we can make our video more engaging and memorable. Finally, we add the finishing touches to our promotional video. This might include things like adding text, music, or sound effects to make the video pop. It's like putting the final decorations on our cake before serving it up to our guests. These little details can make a big difference in how our video is perceived by potential customers. Given that you now know how to make promotional videos, the question is how you are going to price it. Let's talk about the cost first. It's like figuring out on how much it costs to bake a cake before deciding how much to sell it. When you make promotional videos using AI, there are expenses involved, like subscription fees for the AI tools you use and commissions charged by the platforms where you sell your videos. Once we've got a handle on our costs, it's time to look at how much money we can make. This is where revenue generation comes in. It's like calculating how much money we can make selling our cakes at a certain price. By evaluating the potential demand for our videos and considering how much we can realistically charge for them, we can estimate our revenue and see if our side hustle is profitable. Now that it's all settled, let's talk about how we can reach other people. It's like spreading the word about our delicious cakes so everyone knows how tasty they are. When it comes to promoting our video editing services, we've got to get the word out there. This means using different platforms like social media, websites, and online marketplaces to showcase our skills and attract potential clients. One way to promote our services is by creating a strong online presence. It's like setting up a storefront on a busy street where lots of people pass by. We can create profiles on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook to show off our work and connect with potential clients. By sharing our portfolio and engaging with our audience, we can build credibility and attract more clients. Another strategy is to list our services on third-party marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. It's like putting our cakes on display in a popular bakery where lots of people go to buy sweets. These platforms give us access to a large pool of potential clients and make it easy for them to find and hire us for their video editing needs. Plus, they handle things like payments and disputes so we can focus on doing what we do best, making awesome videos. But promoting our services is only part of the equation. We also need to gain experience and build a portfolio to show potential clients what we're capable of. It's like proving to people that we can really bake delicious cakes by letting them taste our creations. By taking on different projects and continuously improving our skills, we not only attract more clients but also increase our earning potential. So whether it's offering discounted rates to build our portfolio or volunteering for nonprofit organizations, gaining experience is key to growing our video editing side hustle. Assuming you have promoted it a little, it's time to talk about business packages and growth opportunities. When it comes to video editing tools, there are business packages available that offer a bunch of useful features at a reasonable price. These packages typically include advanced editing software, access to premium templates, and sometimes even training resources. Compared to buying individual tools separately, opting for a business package can save you money in the long run and give you access to everything you need to create high-quality videos. Now let's discuss the potential for growth and scalability in the video editing side hustle. As you gain experience and build your reputation, there's plenty of room for growth in this field. By consistently delivering great results and expanding your skill set, you can attract more clients and command higher rates for your services. With the right strategy, your video editing side hustle can evolve from a small gig into a thriving business. Now it's time to diversify your income streams. This means exploring different ways to make money using AI in addition to video editing. One option is to offer AI consulting services to businesses that want to implement AI technology in their operations. This could involve helping them choose the right AI tools, develop custom solutions, or analyze data to make better decisions. By tapping into the growing demand for AI expertise, you can create another income stream for yourself. Another opportunity is to create and sell AI-powered products or services. This could be anything from AI-generated artwork to AI chatbots for websites. The key is to find a niche where AI can add value and create something that people are willing to pay for. By leveraging your skills in AI, you can develop unique and innovative products that generate passive income for you over time. In addition to offering services and products, you can also explore affiliate marketing as a way to diversify your income streams. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. With AI becoming increasingly prevalent in various industries, there are plenty of opportunities to promote AI-related products and services and earn commissions on sales. And that's it for today, Luxo lovers. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider giving Luxo-Life a thumbs up, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and sharing the video with others. That way, we can help more people maximize their wealth by learning about this side hustle. If you're new to Luxo-Life, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated. See you in the next video, Luxo lovers!